All right, welcome back to another video. It's that time again. It's April 2024. That means it's this quarter's Crate Club General Box. So let's see what's inside. And as always, if you're not familiar with Crate Club, I'll put all that information down below in my description box. I've been doing these videos for years now, and this is just a small example of what you'll receive either monthly or quarterly, depending on which box you get. And as always, these general boxes are freaking huge. Let me move this microphone slightly out of the way and tilt up just to give you guys a preview of what's inside here. Not like that's a great shot or anything, but this box is huge and my desk setup is, well, it is what it is. So let me put this off to the side and I'll grab the first thing off the top here. And wow, I can already see something in there that I was about to purchase. I've been wanting one of those for a long time. I'm going to do this first, and then I will get to that product next. But this right here, this is the Scrape Med Pack from My Medic. Now, over the past few years getting these boxes from Crate Club, I've received, maybe 2 or 3 first aid kits from My Medic. Always really high quality stuff here. Now, obviously, this isn't a full first aid kit. This looks like it is just it says specialty first aid kit for cleaning and treating scrapes. Hence the name Scrape Med Pack. You guys get the idea. So the contents are 1 2-inch gauze roll, 2 4-inch by 4-inch gauze pads, 1 3x4 non-adhesive pad, 3 antiseptic towels, 1 super hand wipe, 3 triple antibiotic ointments, 1 1x15 self-adherent bandage roll, a pair of gloves, and super wash. Actually, let me grab the cheat sheet in here, and I'll throw up on the screen right now the little write-up that's in the cheat sheet for this My Medic Scrape Pack. Also says it's built in the USA, handpicked by experts, lifetime guarantee, and is HAS FSA approved. So that's basically it for this. Pretty self-explanatory. A med pack for scrapes from My Medic. Very, very useful as always. And now the next thing in the box here, and no lie, like I said, I was just looking at these to buy one to do a review for it on this channel. This is a Spectre from Dark Energy. What this is basically a portable solar panel. Now, the one that I was looking at before was a 15-watt solar panel. This one says 18 watts. That's interesting. And you can see right on the outside of this tube a product shot of that solar panel. That's awesome. Right here, ultralight, armor flex, photo skin. So what's photo skin? Patented panels allow for 18-watt charging. And armor flex is built to sustain heavy outdoor use for years. Let's open this bad boy up. Now, I've been wanting one of these for a long, long time. I actually have another product from Dark Energy called the Poseidon Pro, one of my favorite portable power banks. Let me just grab a knife real quick. Oh, you know what? No, I'm just going to rip this right off. Just some tape right there. Very cool. I don't want to rip and tear anything. Here we go. But this is ridiculous. Okay, there we go. Throw that off to the side. And there it is. The solar panel Spectre from Dark Energy. Here's the back side of it. This right here, when I was looking at it online, is supposed to be a sun gauge or something like that, if I remember correctly, where this should light up based on how much sun the actual solar panel is getting. And on the bottom here is a QR code. Just scan that, and it looks like it gives you the manual for this thing. Checking the tube right here is completely empty, so it doesn't come with any USB charging cables or anything like that, but if it did, you can see right there on the opposite side of this sun gauge, you can see a USB Type-C and a Type-A charging port. But this is literally it right here, and I have no idea how to use this right now. I'm gonna have to scan this QR code off camera, figure out how this bad boy works, and I might just do a dedicated video on this because, like I said, that was my original plan. Let me just grab the cheat sheet here and show you guys what it looks like. It says it's a Dark Energy Spectre panel, which we already know. And it even says right here, the Spectre is an ultralight, ultra-durable 15-watt solar panel that has proven to be a go-to option for many hunters, outdoorsmen, and survivalists. The Spectre is built with robust photo skin technology, meaning it is far stronger and less susceptible to cracking or shattering while under pressure. And that's probably true because this thing feels very, very strong. And then it says on the bottom here, the Spectre also features a sun efficiency meter, which allows users to ensure that they are optimizing sun exposure and therefore maximizing power output. I was saying, what did I say, a sun gauge, but it's basically a meter right here. If I get in close, maybe you can see those LEDs. Those LEDs will light up based on how much sun this is getting. So that's a nice little feature right there. So this is awesome. I'm pretty excited about this. Anytime I grab something out of one of these boxes randomly that I've been looking to purchase anyway, I get excited. So I'm going to put this off to the side. Look out for that video because I'm definitely going to do a few tests with this thing just to see how efficient it is and how fast it can charge up my phone or a power bank or whatever. All right, next in the box right here, this is the Walker's R600 Silencer 2.0. So are these noise canceling earbuds. Rechargeable earbuds, digital protection and enhancement. So on the back it says improved feature, touch button controls, advanced digital circuit, sound activated compression, dynamic wind noise reduction, variable gunshot suppression, and auto shutoff. And the noise reduction rating on these are 24 decibels. So I'm just going to cut this open so I can get inside to show you guys what these earbuds look like. Tear this box right open right here, and there you go. Give you guys a close-up of those earbuds. I'll just take one out real quick. Give you guys a better idea of what these things are. Oh, it looks like it comes with a little case here. Let me see what this is. So just push right there on the bottom. Oh, look at that. So it's a charging case right there on the side. What is that? Yeah, it's a micro USB charging port. That kind of sucks, but still very, very cool that it comes with a charging case to store these earbuds here. And inside of this box right here, looks like it comes with the USB type A to micro charging cable, a lanyard, some replaceable rubber tips, probably these guys right there. So that's awesome. And the earbuds themselves. So this is really cool. Let me show you guys a picture of the write-up in the cheat sheet here. So on the bottom there, it says feature sound activated compression, variable gunshot suppression, touch button controls, and voice prompts. Voice prompts. That's interesting. So I'm going to have to get inside of this user manual right here and see how to use those voice prompts because that sounds pretty cool. But once again, pretty self-explanatory. The noise canceling earbuds, at least I'm guessing they're noise canceling earbuds. I guess that's what you would call them. So I'm going to give that a try off camera, but let me put that off to the side and continue getting these things out of the box here. And it looks like, I'm kidding this right here. So this, we already know what this is. This looks like a hatchet and, oh wow. Very, very cool. Check this out. What does that say? Prandi, Italy, and then it says 600 right there on the blade. You guys see that? But this handle right here is very, very cool. It's actually a real wooden handle. You guys can see that right there, but this looks like a printed design on top of that wood. And there's a rubber protected sleeve over that blade. Let me see how sharp this blade is. Oh yeah. And as always, I like to test to see how sharp these hatchets or knives are straight from the factory. I'm just going to grab this cardboard piece from those earbuds and let's just check this out. That's not the greatest example. How about right here? This might be too thin, so this might not be a great example either. Let me see. Nope. And I see what the problem is right here. Even though this feels sharp, there's still a burr on the end there. So let me turn it around. Maybe you guys can see what I'm talking about. See a little bit better. There's a burr right there. So later on, I'll grab my sharpening stone and strop and get rid of that burr right there. And I know this will be razor sharp. But let me check out the cheat sheet here. This is called the Prandi German style hatchet. It says this particular model is made in Italy, features an American hickory handle, and draws influence from historical German style hatchets. It also features a limited edition 50th anniversary Radica style handle, meaning the wood unleashes all of its expressive potential in a luxurious parquet, giving it an extravagant look and feel. Forgive me for my ignorance that this isn't a printed wood design on here, but it says it's authentic hickory with a Radica style handle. I'm going to have to look that up because I'm not exactly familiar with it. Either way, whether it's printed or it's an actual design on here, it looks awesome. You guys can see what I'm talking about. It looks great. The head of the tool is made from high quality C45 1045 carbon steel and features a polished 4-inch blade. I mean, yeah, the polished blade looks great. I think this looks awesome. I think this is a very cool hatchet to pull out of one of these boxes. And I'm guessing this next item right here just goes hand in hand with the Prandy hatchet. This is the Lansky Sharpener's tool sharpener puck. It's a dual grit multi-purpose tool sharpener. What are the grits here? I don't see any numbers on here saying what the grits are. It just says coarse and medium grit right there. That's pretty vague. For axes, hatchets, shovels, lawnmowers, and machetes. Once again, I'm probably just going to hit it with my stone and strop. I'm probably not going to use this, but it does say for shovels and lawnmowers, so I might test that out on my lawnmower blades. Very, very cool. The Lansky Sharpener's dual grit multi-purpose tool sharpener puck. Let me put this off to the side, and it looks like there's only one more item in this box right here, and it's a CRKT knife. But before I open it, which model? Oh, seriously, guys, it's a Provoke. I've owned 3 CRKT Provokes. I've sold 1 and still own 2 of them. So which version is this? Blue handle here with the black blade. Does it say here? It doesn't say. It just says model 4041B. Now, if you're watching my channel, you're probably already familiar with the CRKT Provoke. It's basically a Karambit, as you can see right there, and there's a little lip right there at the edge of that blade, at the back end of that blade. And what you want to do is, normally you would hold it like this, but I'm just going to show you what it looks like holding it very awkwardly this way, and just push it out. Boom, that's it. And I'll give you a close-up of those 2 arms in that hawkbill style blade. And the way you want to unlock this locking mechanism is right there. You just push that up, and gives you a better idea of the action of the Provoke. I've absolutely love this Karambit. That's why I've owned 3 of them. Like I said, I still own 2. 1 second. It's right behind me here in my toolbox. I keep them right here. These 2 are Cerakoted. I got this version right here, and this darker brown, the Desert Tan, and I forgot, I don't know, dark brown. But these are 2 of my favorite knives from CRKT, and you can see, let me turn it around this way, see what those blades look like on the 2 that I keep. Didn't sell. And then this version right here, I don't believe this is a Cerakote finish though on this handle right here. What material is that? That's not an aluminum. 1 second, let me grab the cheat sheet, see what it is. The Provoke is the first ever knife to feature kinematic technology. Yes, that's all well and good. Karambit style, blah, blah, blah. Grivery. All right, so this is a Grivery handle Provoke with a black blade. And if I remember correctly, the versions that I have here are D2 steel. I'm pretty sure those are D2. It's been a while since I pulled these out to check them out, and it doesn't really say what, oh, it does say right here, 1.4116 high carbon stainless steel with a beautiful black stonewash finish that completes this one-of-a-kind EDC. So there you go, a CRKT Provoke. And guys, you know, I'm probably just going to give this away. Like I said, I own 2 of these. I've already sold 1. I've owned 3 of these total. I don't need this, so I think I'm just going to give this away. So let's do something easy here for a giveaway. Let's just say, make sure you like the video and just comment anything you want in the comments below. Make sure you're subscribed. And that's it. I'd say maybe in a couple weeks, I'll give this bad boy away, draw a name and give it away, because I don't need it, and I'm sure one of you guys out there would love to have this. And that's the last item in the box here. There's nothing else left in the box. So I really like this box here, guys. I mean, a CRKT Provoke right here. Some silencing earbuds right there with a recharging case. This My Medic Scrape medical pack. A sharpening puck right here that you can sharpen this Prandy hatchet right here, which I think is awesome. And of course, last but not least, the Dark Energy Spectre 18-watt solar panel. I think this is really cool. I'm going to play with this a little bit tonight, just get used to it, see exactly how it works, and just look forward to a full video on this. This is awesome. I don't know why I'm so excited over a solar panel. I just am. All right, guys, that's pretty much it for this video. What do you think of the April 2024 Crate Club General Box? So if you are interested in the Crate Club General Box, I'll put all that information down below in my description box. But if you did enjoy this video, please give me that thumbs up. Please subscribe. And go!